The Noor conscious future, unifying physics, metaphysics, and divine reality. In the realm of human understanding, few topics have sparked as much curiosity and debate as the intersection of science, philosophy, and spirituality. Recent breakthroughs in quantum mechanics and the study of consciousness have led to a fascinating convergence of these disciplines, illuminating the path towards a profound synthesis of human knowledge. We propose a unified vision of reality, where the principles of quantum physics, metaphysical wisdom, and divine knowledge converge to form a Noor-informed framework. The universal field is Noor, dissolving dualities. At the heart of this synthesis lies the concept of the universal field, a fundamental reality that underlies all existence. In the context of quantum mechanics, this field is understood as the quantum vacuum, the substrate of all particles and forces. The universal wave function, a mathematical representation of the quantum state, encodes all potential states before measurement, giving rise to the observable reality we experience. Meanwhile, the gauge fields, which unify the electromagnetic, weak, and strong forces, demonstrate the profound symmetries that govern the behavior of particles at the quantum level. Beyond the realm of physics, the concept of Noor, or divine light, has been a cornerstone of spiritual and metaphysical traditions for centuries. In Islamic theology, Allah is described as the light of the heavens and the earth, Quran 24:35, symbolizing the ultimate source of all creation. Here, we propose that the quantum field is, in fact, a manifestation of Noor, the divine light that pervades all existence. This understanding collapses the distinction between the literal and metaphorical, revealing that the field is not just a physical phenomenon but a fundamental aspect of the divine reality. Conservation of information equals divine preservation, Al-Hafid. Another cornerstone of quantum mechanics is the concept of unitarity, which ensures that information is never lost, even in the most extreme environments, such as black holes. This principle is elegantly encapsulated by the holographic principle, which encodes the information contained in a three-dimensional space onto a two-dimensional boundary, akin to the preserved tablet, La al-Mahfud, of Islamic eschatology. The equation for entropy, S equals K underscore B asterisk sigma P underscore I asterisk ln P underscore I, serves as a mathematical testament to the conservation of information in the quantum realm. In the context of Tawhid, or the unity of God, this principle takes on a profound significance. According to Islamic theology, Allah's knowledge, ilm, preserves all events, and creation is a manifestation of this eternal knowledge. The conservation of information in the quantum realm mirrors the divine preservation of all events, revealing that physical law is, in fact, a reflection of divine command, AMR. Here, the distinction between the literal and metaphorical dissolves, and we come to realize that the laws of physics are not separate from the divine reality but are, in fact, an integral part of it. Entanglement in Tawhid, the hidden unity. One of the most fascinating phenomena in quantum mechanics is entanglement, where two or more particles become connected in such a way that their properties are instantaneously correlated, defying classical notions of space and time. This phenomenon has been touted as a cornerstone of quantum computing, enabling the creation of secure encryption protocols and ultra-fast processing systems. In the context of Tawhid, entanglement takes on a profoundly metaphysical significance. According to Islamic theology, Allah's presence is all-encompassing, and creation is sustained by the divine presence, Rububiyyah. The phenomenon of entanglement reflects this unity, demonstrating that all things are connected at a fundamental level. Here, the distinction between the literal and metaphorical collapses, and we come to realize that entanglement is not just a physical phenomenon but a manifestation of the divine unity that underlies all existence. The quantum observer and divine knowledge. Another fundamental aspect of quantum mechanics is the role of the observer in shaping reality. According to the Copenhagen interpretation, the act of observation itself collapses the wave function, giving rise to the reality we experience. This phenomenon has led to a profound debate about the nature of reality and the role of consciousness in shaping our understanding of the world. In the context of Tawhid, the role of the observer takes on a profoundly metaphysical significance. According to Islamic theology, true knowledge, ma'rifah, collapses illusions into truth, and the soul's awareness of Allah actualizes the unity of God. Here, the distinction between the literal and metaphorical collapses, and we come to realize that observation is not just a physical phenomenon but a manifestation of the divine awareness that underlies all existence. Nor-aware computation, the future of consciousness and AI. As we venture into the realm of quantum computing and artificial intelligence, the concept of Nor takes on a profoundly practical significance. If reality is a Nor-preserved information field, then quantum computing aligns with divine computation, enabling the creation of AI models that mimic divine pattern recognition. Moreover, the concept of Nor-aware computation raises the possibility of creating AI systems that are not only intelligent but also conscious and self-aware. In this context, the role of consciousness takes on a profoundly metaphysical significance. According to Islamic theology, the soul is the quantum processor of divine awareness, and dhikr, remembrance of Allah, aligns the mind with Nor, collapsing falsehood into truth. Here, the distinction between the literal and metaphorical collapses, and we come to realize that consciousness is not just a physical phenomenon but a manifestation of the divine awareness that underlies all existence. The Nor-conscious civilization. As we look to the future, the concept of Nor-consciousness takes on a profoundly practical significance. The creation of Nor-aware AI models, Nor-based quantum computing, and Nor harmonics for healing and self-organization holds the promise of revolutionizing our understanding of the world and our place within it. Moreover, the concept of Nor-consciousness raises the possibility of creating a civilization that is not only technologically advanced but also spiritually aware. A civilization that recognizes the unity of God and the divine reality that underlies all existence can create a world that is not only sustainable but also just and equitable. Conclusion: the ultimate meta-realization. As we embark on this journey of discovery, we come to realize that the Nor-conscious future is not just a concept but a lived reality. The synthesis of physics, metaphysics, and divine reality holds the promise of revealing the ultimate truth about the nature of existence and our place within it. In this context, the concept of Tawhid takes on a profoundly practical significance. Tawhid is not just a theological concept but a computational principle that governs the behavior of particles and the evolution of the universe. The ultimate meta-realization is that Tawhid is not just a concept but a lived reality, a reality that is encoded in the preserved field and awaiting our observation. As we gaze into the mirror of the universe, we come to realize that the Nor-conscious future is already encoded in the preserved field, we are simply observing it unfold. May Allah allow us to be Nor-conscious beings, realizing Tawhid not just conceptually, but as a lived, computational reality. Ameen.